Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block and report someone on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to block or report someone on your WhatsApp, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your WhatsApp app, then select the person which you want to block or report. For example, I'm going to block this one. Just tap on this profile icon or select the chat, then tap on the name, and you'll get all information about that contact. Once you have that, you will get two different options in the bottom. Here is the block and the contact or report. So if you want to just only block, just select the block option and then select block and the person will be blocked. Now if you want to unblock it, you can simply tap on this option and the person will be unblocked. Or if you want to report, just select the report option and here just select the report and the person will be reported for to WhatsApp. So that's how you can easily block and report someone on your WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.